Hello guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install Odoo 12 on Windows 10. So it was released today. So let's open this link. You will find it on the description of the video. And here choose 12 Stable Community Edition. And click on X. And here choose the latest version. And it starts to download, so please wait. Okay, the download is finished now. Let's open. So this is the file Odoo 12 latest. Double click and waiting to open. So execute. Okay, choose the language English and okay, and next, and I agree, and choose Odoo server and PostgreSQL database and click on next. So this is the host name, the port, username, password, and click on next. And here choose the destination folder for Odoo 12. So I would like here, so I click on install. So the installation is starting now. Please wait. Okay, the installation is finished. So next, and start Odoo to open. And Odoo is open now. Let's create a database. So here give the database name. For example, my first database. And here the user, admin, and the password admin. For example, you can give your phone number and here choose the language and the country. And click on create database. So this is my database, call it my first database. User admin, password admin, phone number, language, country. Here you can choose demo data. So waiting for creation of database. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You will find soon a new tutorial for Odoo 12 which show you a lot of things. On the next tutorial I will show you how to create from scratch model on Odoo 12. So this is the model for Odoo 12. Let's back to setting. Here we find the version Odoo 12. And here activate developer mode, and let's back to application. Let's for example install a model CRM, and you can install which model you need or create your custom model. So waiting for installing a CRM model. And this is CRM. Let's open. So here the stage, new, qualified, proposition, and one. And this is the pipeline. So this is how to install Odoo 12 on Windows 10. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.